In a world full of filters and quick fixes, true beauty, the kind that shines from within, has become a rarity. But what if I told you that you can achieve that ethereal, glowing beauty naturally with simple, timeless methods that don't require a lot of beauty products or harsh treatments? From radiant skin to that effortless glow, ethereal beauty is all about embracing what's natural, nourishing your body, and enhancing your own unique radiance. Think soft, dewy skin, a serene, luminous aura, and a confidence that comes from knowing you're radiating in your own beautiful skin. In today's video, I'm revealing 10 natural ways to achieve that breathtaking, otherworldly glow you've always dreamed of, without relying on anything artificial. Get ready to glow from the inside out, because these tips will have you looking and feeling your most ethereal self. Tip 1. Start with your brows. Your eyebrows frame your face and can instantly elevate your look. Thicker, natural brows are more youthful and dreamlike, so avoid overplucking. Use castor oil or aloe vera gel to promote healthy growth, and tidy them up by plucking stray hairs below the brow. Trim any unruly hairs with small scissors, then brush your brows upward and outward with a spoolie or clean mascara wand. Finish by shaping and setting them with a clear or tinted brow gel. If needed, lightly enhance your natural shape with a pencil or powder for a polished but angelic look. Tip 2. Keep your lips soft and lush. Your lips are a soft yet noticeable feature of ethereal beauty. Start by exfoliating with a natural lip scrub made from natural ingredients like honey and sugar to remove dry skin and keep them smooth. Follow up with a hydrating balm or Vaseline to lock in moisture and heal dryness, leaving your lips soft and visibly healthy. For a delicate, sweet look, apply a soft rosy tinted balm or a hint of gloss for a natural shine. Consistently caring for your lips will enhance their softness and add a touch of elegance to your overall appearance. Tip 3. Focus on the eyes, the windows to your soul. Your eyes are the essence of ethereal beauty. Begin by curling your lashes to lift them and create an open, captivating look. Apply a natural, non-clumping mascara to enhance them without looking overdone. If you're aiming for naturally thicker and longer lashes, nightly application of castor oil or vitamin E oil can be a game changer. Consistent care leads to noticeable results. For eye makeup, simplicity is key. Use soft shimmer or neutral tones to highlight your eyes subtly without overwhelming their natural charm. Remember, less is more. Your eyes will exude effortless beauty and elegance, making them truly unforgettable. Tip 4. Healthy hair is the ultimate crown. Healthy hair is essential for an ethereal look, regardless of length or style. Keep your hair nourished by massaging your scalp regularly with oils like coconut, argan, or castor oil to encourage growth and shine. Wash your hair only as needed to avoid stripping its natural oils, and always use a sulfate-free, gentle shampoo to maintain its natural texture. If your hair is damaged, use a deep conditioning hair mask, store-bought or a natural one made with ingredients like eggs, honey, and olive oil. Be sure to use a heat protectant when styling to prevent further damage. Healthy hair radiates effortlessly, whether you wear it long, short, straight, or curly. It's your enchanting crown. Tip 5. Harness the power of herbal teas. Herbal teas like chamomile, green tea, and hibiscus offer more than just a soothing drink. They're packed with antioxidants and nutrients that benefit your skin, hair, and overall well-being. Green tea, in particular, boosts your immune system and promotes a healthy glow, while chamomile calms and reduces inflammation. Hibiscus tea is known for its skin-loving properties, helping to fight free radicals and improve skin elasticity. Incorporating these teas into your daily routine can give you that ethereal, glowing radiance from the inside out. Tip 6. Simple makeup. Glow. Don't mask. Ethereal beauty is all about enhancing, not hiding. Instead of full-coverage foundations, opt for a tinted moisturizer or BB cream to create a dewy, fresh face. Apply a touch of cream sweet rosy blush to the apples of your cheeks for a soft, sweet flush. Highlight the high points of your face, cheekbones, nose bridge, and brow bone for a subtle, radiant glow. Skip heavy contouring and let your natural beauty shine through. The goal is to enhance, not mask, for that effortlessly ethereal glowing look. Tip 7. Keep a simple skincare routine. For ethereal, glowing skin, simplicity is key. Use as few products as possible to let your natural beauty shine. Wash your face twice daily if you have oily skin, but for dry or sensitive skin, cleanse only in the evening to preserve your skin's natural oils. Cleansing with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser helps remove dirt, sweat, and dead skin, keeping your pores clear and preventing breakouts. Pat dry with a soft towel, then apply a lightweight, non-pore clogging moisturizer. For specific concerns, one serum is enough. Less is more when it comes to achieving a naturally radiant complexion. To elevate your skincare, use this ancient beauty tip. Use rose water as a toner. This timeless remedy soothes, hydrates, and enhances the skin's natural glow, making it a perfect addition to your ethereal routine. Here's how to make it at home. 1. Gather fresh roses. Use pesticide-free rose petals, about 1 to 2 cups. 2. Boil water. Heat about 2 cups of distilled water to a gentle simmer. 3. Simmer the petals. Place the petals in a pot. Pour the hot water over them and cover. Let it simmer on low heat until the petals lose their color, about 20 to 30 minutes. 4. Cool and strain. Allow the mixture to cool, then strain the liquid into a clean spray bottle using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. 5. Store properly. Keep your rose water in the refrigerator for freshness and use it within 1 to 2 weeks. How to use. Spritz your rose water toner onto your skin in the morning to gently refresh without stripping your natural oils. Perfect as an alternative to washing your face. In the evening, follow your regular cleansing routine and use the toner afterward to lock in hydration. Let it air dry or gently pat it into your skin for a soothing, rejuvenating boost. Tip 8. Practice daily facial massage and embrace beauty sleep. Facial massages are the base of ethereal beauty. They boost blood circulation, reduce puffiness, and gently sculpt your features for a naturally radiant look. Use natural oils like rosehip or jojoba to enhance the experience and make it more nourishing. Tools like a gua sha or jade roller can amplify the benefits while adding a touch of luxury to your routine. Bonus, it's incredibly relaxing and the perfect way to unwind. An ancient beauty secret. Prioritize your sleep. Your body regenerates during rest, repairing skin and leaving you with brighter eyes, healthier skin, and a glow that no product can replicate. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to wake up refreshed and radiant. Beauty sleep isn't just a saying, it's your most effortless beauty hack.
Tip 9.
Embrace a healthy diet and stay hydrated. What you eat has a direct impact on your ethereal glow. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries, leafy greens, and nuts into your meals. These superfoods combat free radicals, promoting radiant and youthful skin from within. For an ancient beauty twist, try including turmeric and honey in your diet, both revered for their skin healing and anti-inflammatory properties throughout history. Ancient beauty practices often emphasize the consumption of natural, unprocessed foods to maintain health and vitality. Hydration is just as important. While drinking plenty of water is a must, you can elevate the experience by adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing detox boost. This not only aids digestion but also helps flush out toxins, leaving your skin plump, clear, and glowing, like dew on a serene morning. Remember, beauty radiates from the inside out.
Tip 10.
Final tip: confidence, radiance, posture. Your beauty shines brightest when you feel confident. Your confidence is your most captivating feature. So take care of yourself, embrace your unique qualities, and walk tall with grace and poise. Good posture not only enhances your physical appearance, but also reflects inner strength. When you feel good in your own skin, it shows, and that's the essence of ethereal beauty. Beauty isn't about striving for perfection. It's about celebrating your authenticity and letting your light shine. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a confidence boost. Keep glowing and stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. For more videos, click on one of the pictures on the screen.